My name's Jan and I live in Nakara, Darwin in the Northern Territory. Love the climate, love the people, love the laid-back lifestyle. I thought it'd be a good idea because we have so much sunshine and our power bills are not cheap, and I thought it'd be a way to save money. I got 3 quotes. I read them all very carefully. Now I have a local company doing a new system that I seem to be very thrilled with what they're producing. And the pre-sales, after-sales, during sales service has been terrific. He's very patient because every time it hiccups I ring him up, regardless of the time of day or the day of the week, and he answers me quite patiently and sorts out my questions very clearly. Panels I bought are the more expensive of the range of panels in the hope that they will last me longer. I'm led to believe that I have got the highest quality I can get because it's a big company, and I'm thinking that they wouldn't renege on any claims they make because they can't afford to. Because mine is a 6.5 kilowatt system, there is a 5 kilowatt limiter on them because I'm tied to the grid. On average, I'm getting more than 30 kilowatts a day going into the grid above and beyond what I use. My best has been 37 kilowatts in one day. 37 kilowatts is above and beyond what I'm using. That's pure profit. I can't wait to see if it pays for itself in 4 years. And my first 3-month electricity bill comes at the end of this month, so I'll really know how I'm going. I know it's going to perform well because I take daily readings of the solar system and it's going very well. I'm very happy with what I've got.